Hi, good evening, friends. So we are back again from Oasis today. Today we have like few collections of modal silk and mulberry silk. So starting off with the modal silk collection in red, and you can see uh, this will be the pallu of the sari. Okay, this will be the whole body of the sari. See, I'll show you the border which is there. This will be the border, and this way it goes, the whole body. And then the blouse piece will show you. See, the blouse piece is also beautiful. This way it goes. This will be the body and the blouse piece. This will be the body of the sari. And once again we'll show you the bright and beautiful pallu. This will be the pallu of the sari. Okay, so this will be the first collection in modal silk. Next one is in blue. Another beautiful combination, blue and brown. This is very rare. We usually see other combinations, blue, black, and others. This one is in blue and brown combination. This will be the pallu of the sari. This is how the pallu goes. I'll show you the borders. Okay, and this will be the whole body of the sari. These are all in ajrak print. Okay, this will be the body with brown border, and here goes the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece is in brown. Here's the blouse piece. Beautiful contrast, very rare. So this is the body. Okay, and this will be the pallu of the sari. You can see in blue and brown combination. Next we have another rare one in rust and black. A very smart combination in rust and black. See, this will be the beautiful pallu. This will be the pallu of the sari. Here goes the body. This will be the whole body of the sari. Okay, and then we'll show you the blouse piece. See, beautiful design. This is the same one. This will be the blouse piece of the sari. Here's the body, and here goes the pallu. The blouse piece matches with the pallu of the sari. So this is the third one in modal silk. Next we'll move on to mulberry silk. Just as comfortable as modal. So a beautiful blue and golden combination, you can see it's giving a dual tone impression. It's very confusing. So this will be the pallu of the sari. See, you can see the shine, dual tone in copper and blue. So this is how it goes. The whole body of the sari goes this way, and the blouse piece of the sari is in brocade. This is a brocade blouse piece, you can see. This will be the border, and the brocade one is here. This will be the blouse piece of the sari. Very beautiful, and it gives a glamorous look once you drape it. So you can see the checks in it. Hello. This will be in blue, and here goes the pallu of the sari. Next, the final one for today's video. Beautiful green and copper combination. See, this will be the pallu of the sari with the tassels. Next, we'll show you the body. Body has a beautiful design. You can see this will be the whole body of the sari, and then we'll show you the blouse piece. Again, a brocade blouse piece. Here will be the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, once again we'll show you. Finally, the whole body of the sari goes this way, and here is the pallu of the sari. Okay, so this is all for today's evening. Please like, share and comment, and if you want to place any orders, please WhatsApp or call us at 88478 02388. So see you again tomorrow evening. Bye.